Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake Easter eggs. Start by crushing cookies into fine crumbs and mixing with melted butter until it holds together, then refrigerate. Press mixture into silicone egg molds to form shells and chill until firm. Meanwhile, beat cream cheese with sugar and vanilla until smooth, then fold in whipped cream and pipe into chilled shells before sealing and decorating gently. I will explain simple flavor and texture adjustments to elevate your cheesecake eggs. For a denser center, add 1 tablespoon gelatin dissolved in 2 tablespoons warm water, or use mascarpone for a silkier mouthfeel. Citrus zest brightens the filling, and a splash of vanilla balances sweetness. Fold in finely crushed mix-ins gently to preserve air, and always taste before piping so each egg has the balance you want. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, these leak-proof containers make meal prep simple and keep cheesecake eggs fresh when transporting to parties, with tight seals and durable lids. They stack neatly in the fridge and resist leaks during travel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you buy something it helps the channel. Now let's get back to the video. I will help with shaping, decorating, and serving so your eggs look professional and are easy to enjoy. Use a piping bag to fill shells neatly and warm a knife slightly to fuse chocolate or crust edges without melting the filling. Add natural powders or freeze-dried fruit for vivid color, and finish with chopped nuts or mini candies for crunch. Serve chilled with small spoons for easy bites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.